Hello, this is Ripon Chapol, and in today's video, we will discuss about archive.php and search. How can we dynamic the search result? When we dynamic our blog post in here, as you can see, I have done three posts for our need. You can see here the three posts that I have just done with some lorem text, as you can see here. And if I go to the details page, the details content is showing here. If I go to the back page again, and in here there is a date and there is a author page also. So if I click on the date page, you'll see it is completely blank, but it shouldn't be blank. It will be on this date what post has been posted, that post is will be shown here in this specific date. So we'll see that how we can dynamic that. And in here in the search here, if I type something and click enter, then it is also not working. So we'll have a look on how these two things will work. So for this date, and if I the same goes for the author also. If I click on the author, then you will check the URL that has been author/Ripon, but there is no post or nothing inside here. So we'll try to check these two things today. So for doing that, you have guys seen that how I have dynamic the index.php. So I will break down a little bit more. So I'll copy this part first, and we have on the first episode of this series we have created this archive.php. So I will just paste it here in the archive.php. Now if I go here and give a refresh, and if I click on this date, then you will see the header part here. Okay, now after header part, what I want to show, I want to show enable the footer part also. So I'll go for the footer part here. Footer part. Now again, if I go here and give a refresh, then the footer part of this theme has been enabled. Now what I need to do, I need to show the specific posts for that specific date. So for that, we just gonna need this archive.php is having that power to filter the specific date of the post. So if I copy it here from here to there, if I copy it and just paste it here, the same things that I have just done with our home page for making this blog post dynamic. Now if I go again here in the date, then the specific date post, the two post that is coming here in this part. Now if I go here, you can see three posts here. Now if I go to 31 October and 2024 and click on here, then you will see that specific post. If I transfer this post, like if I quick edit this one, and 31 October 2024, if I change the date here to October, and the date will be 31. Okay, then if I click on update, now you'll see the music. If I give a refresh, then you will see the two posts now. And if I go back again to the home page, now this 4 November there is no other post. If I click on this, then only this single post will be available in this. Same goes for the author. The by Ripon, it is having Ripon has done this three post, and if I add a new author here and do the same, that will be the same. That will shown in the same way. So by this way you can dynamic your archive.php file, and there is also this will be also responsible for the category page. Right now there is no category page, but if you create any category page, that one also will work for archive.php. If there is no category page in here in this, if there is a specific page you have created for your things to do on your specific category things, then that will be responsible, but we haven't create. So you need to understand this in a good way, that why this archive.php is working, how it is working. So now it's time to show that how we can dynamic this search here. Now if I search something, then there will be some content for working. Okay, now this form is coming from the index.php, as you can see here, index.php, and this is the search form that are available. Though you will dynamic it from the from the widgets. But if you have make it like static, don't want to make anything like that, then you can also use this one. So if I go and dynamic this one, then here we need to add some things that for action. So the action will be our home page, that if someone click on the search button, then it will be redirect to our home page. So I'll write php echo esc url, then it will be home url. Okay, then it will be home url. And if I type the input in here, input, we need to give some name that is equal s. So by s it passed is data. And the button type is submit, there's nothing to do more. Now if I go here and give a refresh, and if I search with y, okay, and click on enter, then it is not working, cause in our search.php it is completely blank. So we need to dynamic also this search.php. What we can do, we will just copy all the things that is in the index.php, we'll copy it and we'll paste it in our search.php file. Now if I go and give a refresh, then you will see the magic. The why title is here, that's why it is coming. Now if I search with what, then you will see the other post as well. The search is working perfectly, and you can see the permalinks here is question and then s equal what. That's how this search form works. So if there is any search form in the WordPress, this way you can dynamic it. So thank you very much. If you have any question, please comment down below. I will try to answer that. See you in our next episode. Bye.